Hey everyone, in this video we're going to take an in-depth look at the RCA RDR4300 Handheld Radio User Manual. Overview. Function Enter key. Receive call key. Back option key. Hang up key. Direction key. What's included? RDR4320 Handheld Radio, RDR4350 Handheld Radio, RDR4380 Handheld Radio, B4323 Li-ion battery 2550 mAh, antenna on 4300U, UHF on 4300V, VHF, BC4300 belt clip, PS4301 power supply, CH4301 desktop rapid charger. Attaching the antenna. Turn the antenna clockwise to attach it. Attaching the battery. While laying flat, put the battery into the radio as one shown, and horizontally push to the top along the aluminum slot. As 2 shows, up the battery latch forward until a click is heard. Removing the battery. As shown, hold the radio like this. As shown, push up the battery latch with another hand. Slide the battery in the arrow direction shown. Attaching the belt clip, rotate the screws counterclockwise to remove them. Align the screw holes on the belt clip with those on the radio's body, and then tighten the screws clockwise. Attaching audio accessory programming cable. Charging the battery. Charging operation steps. Use only the charger and battery specified by RCA communication systems. Charger LED can indicate the changing progress. Basic operations. Call. LED indicator and charging status in the charger. Radio LED indicator. Battery indicator. LCD icon. Care and cleaning. Keep the radio far away from substances that can corrode the electronic circuit. Do not hold the radio by its antenna or headset cable directly to prevent damage to its normal use. Attach the accessory jack cover when the radio is not in use. Troubleshootings. No power. Check the battery, clean contacts, and try a new battery. No audio distorted audio. Adjust volume. Clean speaker mic. Check connection. Transmission problems. Check the channel, stay in range, and inspect the antenna. Pairing issues. Consult the manual, reset the radio, and check compatibility. Physical damage. Inspect for damage, contact RCA support. General functionality issues. Restart radio, update firmware, consult user manual. Strange behavior. Remove interference, and check for moisture. Warnings. Hearing damage. Loud volumes can damage hearing over time. Radio etiquette. Be mindful of radio channel usage and avoid interrupting ongoing conversations. Battery safety. Use only approved batteries and dispose of them according to regulations. Water damage. The radio is not waterproof. Avoid using it in wet environments or submerging it. Electromagnetic interference. Strong electromagnetic fields can disrupt radio operation. Licensing requirements. Depending on your location, operating a two-way radio might require a license. Choking hazard. Keep the radio and accessories away from children and pets due to choking risks. For more updates, subscribe to our channel.